River North is one of Chicago's most vibrant and sought-after neighborhoods, known for its dynamic blend of world-class dining, elite office spaces, and cultural attractions. Nestled along the Chicago River, this area offers easy access to neighboring hotspots like the West Loop and the Loop's Business District, as well as 17 miles of the scenic Lakefront Trail. At the heart of it all is Wolf Point East, situated on a private drive along the iconic Chicago Riverwalk, a picturesque riverfront path that connects the Loop to the lakeshore. Wolf Point is framed by a 4-acre landscape park with terrace gardens, cherry blossom trees, and cozy seating areas, providing a peaceful retreat from the city's energy. River North offers the perfect balance of urban sophistication and natural beauty, making it the ultimate place to live, work, and unwind. As you step into the foyer of Unit 606, this exquisite 2-bedroom unit, you're immediately welcomed into a thoughtfully designed space that embodies modern luxury. Heading east into the heart of the unit, the first thing you'll notice is how the floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views of the Chicago River, Skyline, and Lake Michigan, flooding the space with natural light. The kitchen flows effortlessly into the living area, creating an open and inviting environment. It features soft, close cabinetry with undermounted lighting, combining a natural wood grain and gloss white finish. The stainless steel Whirlpool appliances enhance both style and functionality, while the peninsula illuminated by a chandelier and overhead lighting makes the kitchen perfect for entertaining. You'll enjoy wide plank espresso flooring throughout, adding warmth and sophistication to the space. In the first bedroom, facing east, you'll find an abundance of light through expansive windows. The room is complete with custom built-in shelving and closet organizers to maximize storage and efficiency. Down the hall, the large shared bathroom is finished with premium Kohler fixtures and features a luxurious bathtub. A dedicated space houses a full-size, front-loading Whirlpool washer and dryer, ensuring everyday convenience. The primary bedroom is a spacious retreat, equipped with a walk-in closet featuring organizing shelves. The ensuite bathroom is elegantly designed with a dual vanity, a walk-in glass shower, and enhanced by excellent LED lighting. This unit also offers a suite of modern smart home amenities, including dedicated high-speed internet, an Ecobee smart thermostat, and latch keyless entry for seamless access. Wolf Point East offers an extraordinary array of amenities, blending luxury, comfort, and convenience. Elegant gathering spaces with sweeping skyline views provide the perfect setting to entertain or unwind. Residents enjoy exclusive access to a full-floor fitness club, an indoor-outdoor pool with a sun terrace, and a state-of-the-art golf simulator. For added privacy and convenience, the building offers 24/7 door staff, underground parking, dry cleaning services, and package storage for seamless deliveries. Host meetings in a private boardroom or get work done in the resident-only co-working study. Unwind with a cocktail while taking in stunning city views from the Mirror Lounge and living room, or connect with friends at the sports club. Pets are pampered with on-site dog washes, grooming stations, and a dog-friendly terrace featuring lake views, with easy access to scenic river walks. Whether relaxing on the river terrace or enjoying a quiet moment in the River Lounge, Wolf Point East offers the ultimate luxury lifestyle, with Chicago's best experiences right at your doorstep. Ready to experience the best of River North living? For personalized, expert leasing assistance to find your perfect luxury apartment, visit YoChciago.com and let us help you discover your next dream home.